There is a drop.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not telling.
I want to get wet. Not like so oh, here it comes.
There's alligators and elephants.
Yes. Here we go.
We got some trouble ahead.
Trouble. Oh no.
Oh, man.
The bottom part of the bar is slimy.
I know, it's kind of gross. Ah!
Oh, that was a crazy.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh, that
I
felt
thought it
great.
was fooling us and it was going to stop.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Woo, we got it good, buddy.
That was soaking wet.
That's how it was.
Sarah.
It all depends on which way you turn when you get there.
Yes, yes.
We'll have to check that out.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna get shit on again.
Oh, God. No. That was good.
Not too bad.
No.
Oh, it's not over.
I like this guy.
We have fast passes for it later.
We do?
Yes. You do?
Eric, we have fast passes for this later?
No.
Uh-oh, look out, Charlie Rose.
Oh, no.
Oh, you lucky girl.
Tell me what's coming.
Okay, 3 streams of water. Duck! You're doing pretty good so far.
This is fun. Yeah, you haven't gotten there. The very first one came over my back.
I know. The very first one I got so
Yeah,
good.
so did she. Bubba.
Bubba!
We're so.
Oh, what's going on?
Oh, man.
I think people can shoot you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're up there.
I'm going over there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Kill that.